Are you all feeling as good as I am sitting on this couch looking at these mountain views? So this is titled Bowinkle. So this part of the story, this is one of my favorite parts of this whole journey we went on. Once we went through the trauma of all working together, of saying, okay, we're going to rebuild this thing. And we were going through all of the digital build, and we had this event where we worked to try to render and capture the best we can. So like when I'm sitting on this couch and I look over and I see the snow peaks, but behind me I'm looking up there and I'm seeing the elk from the lodge that we're going to talk with the stories about. Where what we really worked the best we could is to take the travesty of the house that went away to transfer when the house burns down. How do you transfer that stuff to the new house? And we were in these conversations and we were having this event where we were going to showcase the digital build. And I heard from Lindsey, and they're like, well, my parents are buying all this stuff and it's in the storage and we're trying to figure all this stuff out. And they're like, they found this moose and they bought a whole moose. And I was like, that is so cool. Hence Bowinkle. And so Bowinkle's Stanley proud up here of putting all this stuff together. And it's so relatable for me. If you go look at all of our journeys at Turkey Toe, where we've had the passions. And when we go into the bedroom of see their family shoots at Turkey Toe and our family shoots all coming together here. At the end of the day, these Colorado homes, the whole thing about the Colorado lifestyle is sharing those experiences together. And that's what we're doing here. But to be able to do that, Bowinkle's big. And so you have to have a space that has enough volume. And that's one of the big problems with modular building is typically they really struggle to take clear story or have boxes, or how do you pay for a box of air? And how do you get that big box to drive down the road and sit on top of another box? Sounds really simple until you do it. But I'm proud to say, Bowinkle's standing tall.